When I went to Delhi as a young man, that is when I tasted this Tibetan momos, especially near the Priya Theatre and a lot of places. They serve excellent momos. And when I traveled around the world, especially Singapore and other places, I ate awesome dim sums. Today I am going to make these momos, and that too we are going to South Indianize them, and we are going to make chicken 65 momos. The flavors, the beauty of a pizza or the beauty of a fried rice or even for that matter momos is you can always make your own combinations and flavors. For this, I have taken chicken pieces and with the chopper make this chicken into a nice mince. This mince helps the momos when they are steamed, even the chicken inside will be cooked. And when I went to Nepal, they have a lot of awesome different kind of momos. I think wherever you go, you have to try the local foods. But when you come back home, you make it to your own taste buds so that your family, your friends also can enjoy. Make it nice and soft. And another thing about this mince is, when I went to the chicken shop, I asked for chicken fat. Lot of local Chinese kiosk, what they do is they take chicken fat and with that they mix flour and they make chicken fried rice and all that. I have taken chicken meat as well as some chicken fat, because when you eat these momos they have to be juicy and the chicken fat will make it nice and perfect. In this I am going to put a little bit of garam masala, some chili powder. Do not make it very spicy. Some coriander powder, and in this we are going to add chopped coriander. In this add finely chopped fresh garlic, fresh ginger. To bring out a nice aromatic taste, we are going to add some soya sauce. You can add a little bit, add spring onion. If you want, you can also add chopped vegetables. When you talk about vegetarian momos, they say aisa kuch nahi hota hai. But who cares? What you like, what you love is what is the best. In this, I am just going to irritate few people by adding some chopped vegetables. If I want to irritate them more, some cabbage. In this, add salt, some crushed pepper. Now, the world is yours. There is a great saying in Telugu, Jiva ko ruchi. That means every tongue has its own taste. If you want to add more, whatever it is, you are the king of your own kitchen. Mix it well. For making dim sum and momos, we have two different kind of flours. So this is a dim sum flour which is looking much whiter. This dim sums, they will look little bit of transparent. So this flour is made with fine maida, and also some tapioca flour is added. If you put regular normal water, it won't become easy for us to make into different shapes. Whereas this one is pure maida, and in this we are going to add some salt and also some salt in the dim sum flour. For the dim sum flour, we are going to use hot water, hot boiling water. This dim sum flour, when you touch it, it will be like corn flour, but it has got tapioca flour and maida both put together. In this, add hot water, and when you put hot water, look at it, how this has become. So with the spoon, just mix all of this, and when this is made, when you eat it, it will be jelly like from the outside, and with the meat or anything you put inside, it will be juicy. Once you knead it well, you can add just 1 teaspoon of oil and knead it even more better, and this will come out perfect. Now for the momos, we added a little bit salt, add water, simple maida flour dough, and knead it well. Also in this, after you knead it, rest it for like 10 minutes and add a little bit of oil and just massage the dough little more. And when both of the doughs are ready, you can make awesome momos. Look at how this one is nice and white, this one is little off white. You got to make small roundels. From that roundels, people make hundreds and hundreds variety of shapes. So if you have little kids, you can just bring them to the table, make these roundels and teach them how to shape, and it's also a nice creative class. Cut it like this, just to the size of a small puri. This much of stuffing should be enough, but do not overload this all together like this. So this will be your first momo. Kids will jump in joy and they will have the desire to learn more. In the same way, now you can get creative. Put the chicken mince in the edge. First press it. another kind of, momos. You will understand that making this is not that difficult. Fill it, give it a shape, and once you make these creative shapes, and you have to steam for like 10-15 minutes. Whereas when it comes to dim sum, I don't like to make many shapes because I love the transparency of this. When I was in Singapore, I loved some of these prawn dim sums. You can actually see the prawns from inside. People make tandoori momos, and today we made chicken 65 momos. You can steam them very easily. On the bed of cabbage you put it, because when you remove they come off easily. Even on a idli container you can steam them. Put one a piece. Here is my idli steamer. Good cut. And this one, just put a lid on and let them steam. So take some nice red chilies and put it in hot boiling water. The chilies have become soft by boiling just for a few minutes. Put it in a blender. A little extra oil in this. Lot of garlic, ginger. In this, transfer the chili paste and mix this good. Add vinegar, add sugar. I love to add a little bit of tomato ketchup, and also you can add a little bit of light soya sauce for the flavoring for like around 4 or 5 minutes, and your chili, garlic, hot sauce. In this, adjust salt for either spring rolls or samosas or even this beautiful momos. Nice, perfect, and we made various shapes. Just look at them. Each one of them just too good. Oh my God. आ गया मोमोज खाने वाली आ गई है. What is this? This is pizza sauce. Dear friends, as I told you, everybody likes them differently. If your kid wants to have it with pizza sauce, don't get angry, because the big kid who is showing you cooking is also going to enjoy it like this. You want to try it?
No, you try. These are literally amazing.
Melting in the mouth. All I tell you, make them. When you eat the best of the best, you got to ding chicka, ding chicka, ding chicka, ding chicka. It is so good, so awesome. Every bite, nice hot chili sauce, which is sweet, sour. My goodness, sauce looks excellent. With the dim sum ones. Next time, I'm going to show ones with the prawns. And wow.